In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Elementor template. If you're new to Elementor, it's a powerful and intuitive website builder that offers users a simple way to create stunning web pages. Whether you're designing for yourself or a client, templates can be a game changer in streamlining your workflow. With templates, you can easily reuse styles and layouts, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Let's dive into the process of creating one. First things first, ensure you've opened the page you want to work on in Elementor. If you're unfamiliar with this step, it simply involves going to your WordPress dashboard, navigating to Pages, and selecting the page you wish to edit. Once inside Elementor, you'll see your design canvas ready to work with. Next, you'll want to hover over to the bottom of the Elementor panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find the Publish or Update button, depending on whether you're creating a new page or modifying an existing one. Right next to this button, there's a small arrow. Clicking on this arrow will display a drop-down menu that gives you a set of additional options. This feature is crucial because it's where the magic begins in saving your page design as a reusable template. Once you click this arrow, you'll want to select the option labeled Save as Template. An important panel will pop up, prompting you to give your new template a name. Be sure to choose a name that's descriptive enough so you'll easily recognize it later. This could be something like homepage layout, contact form design, or however it relates to the content of the page. After naming your template, confirm by hitting the Save button. Now, you'll be faced with a choice. Elementor gives you the flexibility to save your template as either a site template or a cloud template. Saving as a site template means it's only available for use on the particular site you're working on. This is ideal if you're working on a single, standalone project and prefer keeping your assets local. On the other hand, if you're someone who manages multiple sites interconnected through cloud, choosing Cloud Template is beneficial. This option allows you to save your design in Elementor's cloud system, making it accessible across all your connected websites. Simply decide which option best suits your needs and make your selection. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you've learned how to create a customizable Elementor template that can save you tons of time in your website building journey. It's a great way to ensure consistency across your projects while also allowing you to build efficiently with ease. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials that can help you harness the full potential of Elementor and make your web designs truly shine. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!